अच्छा जी शुरू करो.
I just wish the weather picks up. It's doing my head in. It's so cold out there.
इतनी गर्मी लगती है.
It's warmer inside, but it's horrible outside.
मैंने ठंड लगती है. हाले कोटी पाई है.
It's not so cold today. What's going on with you?
I don't know. It is basically it is warm, but I don't know why मैंने थोड़ी ही ठंड लगती है.
The heating's on today inside, so it's nice and warm. I feel warm, but it just seems so miserable outside. I can't wait till the weather picks up.
Acha.
What we're watching today?
We're watching. This is something loads of people requested. Apparently, it's some sort of meme going on or something. Shweta. Zoom meeting. Shweta Zoom meeting.
In English, is it? It says with English subtitles. Okay.
Yeah, this is the one that has been sent, but it's got subtitles.
Interesting. By the way, guys, if you're new to our channel, I'm Sarit.
And
this is Stevie K.
Stevie K, guys. I nearly forgot my name.
If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then you know what to do.
What they're supposed to do.
We have a new channel, guys. By the way, we have a new channel, and it's V's channel. It's a gaming channel. So look him up. We'll put the links in the description, and also the Cool Art Touch, where we do our vlogging, and we have other things which we'll be putting down below in the description as well. So do check them out. So this is going to be something different.
Yeah, and our Patreon, guys. Everything from all the channels will be more or less on there.
I just said below.
Did you say that?
I said it.
Oh, okay, sorry. I was just looking because there was two or three different titles that were sent to us, and I just wanted to make sure we got the right one.
Okay.
I've got the link that was sent to us, but it says, obviously I read what was, Shweta Zoom meeting with English subtitle. This one is, but originally it's Shweta mic band karlo. Your Shweta, your mic is on. So something happened, obviously. And we're just going to check this one out and dekhiye. So it's going to Hindi and English with English subtitles.
Not that I need it.
Yeah. I think someone just thought, share the... नहीं समझ आई तो ना पढ़ता लोगे कुछ.
हिंदी तो पंजाबी मेरे सारी समझ आती है. बोलनी नहीं आती है चंगी तरह पर समझ आती है.
कह रही थी इसने ना मेरे को कॉल करी. इसने मेरे को करी कॉल. तो इसने ना मतलब ऐसी बात चल रही थी, फिर एकदम से उसने उसकी बात छेड़ी. कहता है कि देख, इसने मुझे लिखी है मैं पोजेसिव हूँ. ठीक है, मैं पोजेसिव हूँ और कभी कभी मैं बहुत ज्यादा पोजेसिव हो जाता हूँ अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को लेके. मतलब वो मेरे को बोल रहा था एक तरह से, मतलब जिस तरह से बात करते करते, तो मतलब ये था श्वेता बात छेड़ता है ये अपनी पुरानी बंदी. तो उसने मेरे को बताया कि भाई वो जो लड़की थी श्वेता, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करता था. कितने पागल नहीं जाते किसी के पीछे. बिल्कुल वैसे था. कहते हैं कि वो बंदी सिर्फ मेरे को यूज कर रही थी और मुझे मतलब ये था कि उसको पता थी वो जब भी उसके साथ था. ये था कि मतलब वो बंदी के पीछे में इतना पागल था कि मतलब ये था कि वो सेक्स एडिक्टेड थी लड़की. तो कह रहा था कि
Your mic is on. Your mic is on, Shweta.
सेम ऐसे हुआ था उसके साथ, लेकिन लड़के के साथ. सोच भाई, मतलब ये था कि कह रहा था कि वो लड़की ना सेक्स एडिक्टेड थी. समझने मतलब ये था कि ऐसा कर दिया था. कहता कि वो होता है ना कि
म्यूट कर दो उन्हें.
मतलब वो जैसे कहते ना अट्रैक्शन सी बिल्कुल फीलिंग वाले. तो समझ रही है तू, मतलब कैसे बताऊं मैं तेरे को.
Oh my God.
तो ये था कि उसने भी मतलब कर लिया, मतलब लड़के ने भी कर लिया. ठीक है, मतलब हो गया था. तो कहता था कि मतलब उसने मुझे ऐसी आदत डाल दी थी करने की ये सब कि मतलब हर मीटिंग पे वो करती थी. हर मीटिंग पे मतलब जब भी करते थे. कहता और कहता था कि कह रहा था कि यार देख उसने ना मुझे ना यार मुझे नहीं क्या.
That's the friend talking to her, ना.
तो मतलब कोई लड़का बहन राधे का कोई लड़का ना अपनी इतनी सीक्रेट्स इतनी सारी चीजें तक नहीं बताता. उसने मेरे को एक एक चीजें बताई है. पता है क्या कहता है कि मैंने ना अपने खुद के बेस्ट फ्रेंड को नहीं बताई. उसने मुझे ऐसी ऐसी चीजें बताई
फिकर
है
मत करो, अब 111 लोगों को पता लग गई.
अननोन पर्सन को या
Oh my
एक
God.
आने की
Is that how many people on the
relationship में आने में कौन बता देता है ये सब चीजें. तो खुद बताइयो.
भाई माइक ऑफ कर ले.
उसने मुझे एक
shut
मिनट
up.
बताया.
Why are
उसने
you
मतलब
doing?
वो बंदा पंडित है.
Oh,
ठीक है.
कॉल करो यार.
खुद बताइयो.
भाई माइक ऑफ कर ले.
उसने मुझे एक डिटेल बताई. उसने मतलब वो बंदा पंडित है.
दो
ठीक है.
बंदे
करो यार.
मुझे कहता है बिल्कुल प्योर वाला.
ब्राह्मण
यहाँ पे चिकन
चिकन नहीं खाता.
बिजी आ रहा है. ये बात कर रही है ना, इसे होल्ड कर यार. श्वेता
She just realised.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry,
teacher.
teacher. I was also interested in the story.
Discussing possessive pronouns. Were you able to see the PPT which I've shared?
Hello sir. Hello sir.
no
Yes. Yes, please.
Oh my God.
This is
श्वेता
Shweta,
ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ
111 ਨਹੀਂ but ਲੱਖੋਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੋੜਾਂ ਨੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ.
Oh God, I think the ending was more the teachers online. Obviously it's a Zoom, but
And you know the reason why I can understand and relate to this, because obviously now people are probably all studying online, but Casey, our daughter,
still
she has to study. She's at secondary school, and she has to have the Zoom on with her headphones, and she always goes, "We're always having a conversation, Sweet and I are," and she always goes, "It's all right, the mic is off," and you're like going,
you double check, like you sure?
But she did say sometimes, you know what, when people have done their mic off, the teacher can still, like,
they know how,
they've said something to test the teacher, even the mic is off, and they said something, and the teacher can still, she responds.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's going on.
But isn't there a way that the teachers can actually turn your mic on for you as well, so that you can hear?
I don't know, but
she did say that.
But the thing is, your gal karniya. I mean, obviously she's on the Zoom and she knows that's there and she's in her class.
Yeah.
You got jump,
like,
get the whole gal love it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, come on. During
It's
the
like when we
class,
go online.
but during the class, you ain't gonna have that kind of a conversation. I mean, I'm just saying, I don't know. Why would you? And not only that, it was like at the same time. That's this of different no. Une of different no. That the same sif menu. That's that. It's like something that, not in a way she was doing it, but like, you know, when you're bragging to your friend
Bragging
that
to her.
this guy's got, obviously she's got the hope that he's got feelings for her.
Yeah, no, I feel like us girls, we would tell our
Yeah,
friends,
but-
we'll be like,
yeah,
"Oh,
you- but-
what's your opinion on this?" Probably telling her to make herself understand why is he telling me this.
Yeah, but she's hoping that there's something. Or why is he telling me for? If he
Yeah.
can't, if
Maybe-
he hasn't told his best friend,
Maybe she isn't even hoping. She's just telling her to get some understanding of her. I don't think she's hoping.
and
Why
now
do you always think that girls are hoping just because she's talking?
Okay, then I would say this other thing. If he is actually telling her that this is my relationship with my ex-girlfriend,
Yeah,
that
but
we
you
had sex all
assume
the
that
time, I know for a fact that I know what he's thinking.
No, I'm sorry. Again,
No, as in I
not
know.
all guys are
no,
like that. There's some guys who actually talk to girls in depth. I've got friends who will talk to me. in
he's
depth
there
about
basically telling her about his sex life with his
yeah.
ex, and he's freely been able to. He's more or less
Maybe
trying.
he is,
For me, it
but-
would be he's trying to test the waters with her of what
Maybe.
she talks, how she can accept the conversation with sex. If she turns around and says, "Yeah, shit, you know, it happens.
Yeah.
You know, I got an issue with that. You know, maybe she's like that. That's good for her." Then he knows that. Oh, you know what? This is her. This is what my opinion. I want to find out what her opinion
That's
is
what guys-
about sex.
That's what you.
This is who I am. I'm a pundit. I'm a rum, but I'm like this. Would you accept a guy like this? And not only that, what's your take on it? And she's there going, I got issue with talking about sex. That's all fine. That's, you know, I'm cool about it. And
Which is possible.
because
Obviously, I do
some
agree
girl
with
would turn
you.
around and say, "Excuse me, That's personal. I mean, even guys.
It's true. I believe.
I know.
I agree with you. But what I'm saying is, there's friends that I've got who have been guys who are able to talk. Depends on how long she's known him.
But
or
still, guys ain't.
Not all, but we have.
I know for a
friends
fact
who
that
can feel
if I'm with my
about
friends,
stuff.
there's one thing is, as a guys, you probably turn around and going, yeah, I was dating that guy. I was dating someone. I met a girl at the club or whatever. I saw a girl at work and we're going out now.
Yeah.
Right? If a guy was to turn around and go, guess what we did? You know for a fact, number one, he isn't happy.
Yeah.
Number two, what he's trying to do is brag that, you know what I mean, that there's something,
Guys
you know,
amongst guys,
that, you know what, if he has to go into detail what he's doing with a girl, that's what it is. It's basically his own ego to say, I got this girl and this is what we did. There's no respect for that girl.
Yeah.
And it's more to do with this. And if the guys who want to listen to that, it just shows that, because me being with our friends, genuinely, you go,
do that,
dude, I don't want to know about your sex life. You know what I mean? Fine, I understand that, you know, I'm just saying, for a guy, he might go, yeah, we met up, we're working, and guess what? She came back to my place afterwards.
That's all you need to know.
That's
exactly.
all.
Yeah.
That paints a picture that something must have happened. You don't go, then what?
But there is guys who do like to talk about it, and I'm aware of that. Like, I do know, but that is.
But I'm
that
just
is
saying,
true,
genuine
what you're
friends
saying.
and guys,
Yeah, well,
I don't want to know what my friend's doing with his girlfriend or his wife or whatever. Come on, why would you?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm sorry. I'll probably have to meet her in the future. You might marry in the future. What the heck? Why do I want to go? God, remember when you told us that this happened between them? It's not what you do. No. But obviously, the only time you talk about another girl,
going back to her, that's true. I agree with that. Girls love to talk.
You wouldn't respect. I'm just saying, he wouldn't respect that girl, obviously, and he had no intention of being with her if he's willing to talk about it. Yeah. Or thirdly, there isn't one. Yeah. There wasn't a girl. Yeah. He isn't with anyone. He's just trying to chat to her to say, I need to talk about something. I got this girl.
She's got all the advice she needs from this. Like, obviously.
And this is from a guy's take. He's more or less going, I want to be with this girl. I want to watch. If I tell her that I've got this ex-girlfriend, remember, she's ex. Yeah. She's not current. Yeah. I'm not with her, but she was a sex addict. And you know what? I had to do this. I was trying to make her, you know, and she was I just want to be in a good... You don't know where the conversation was going because it stopped. I just want to be with a girl who's not like that. Yeah. You know what? I want to respect. This is what she was like, because he said she was a sex addict. He didn't say he was. Yeah. I'm this, but I was willing to be this guy for this girl. And
I see from a girl's point of view, her ringing her friend and talking to her friend about it, it's on her head. Like, why is he telling me all of this? Yeah.
But you don't know where it was going to end. But you don't know where it was going to end. She could have turned around and said, he said, I didn't want that kind of relationship. Yeah. I respect women and this, that, and the other. I want someone more like you.
I would love to know.
And she would have just gone, oh my gosh, you know what? He's already had that kind of a girl, and he didn't want a relationship with her. He just found her too much, and he was always...
Where's part 2? I want to know what happened.
But at the same time, this guy...
What advice did the friend give? And when did she realise?
I don't think anyone gave any advice. I think the phone got... shit. I don't think now... Shweta's not going to school or chatting to her friends.
Shweta's getting married off, like, next...
Shweta, her already probably bia ho gaya. Gone somewhere before everyone else gets viral.
Shipped her off.
They probably, like, parents probably phoned and said
that... her name changed.
Found a guy for you, like, found a guy, but कितना ना मुंडा लभी है ਜਿਹਦੇ ਪਾਸ ਕੋਈ ਵਾਈਫਾਈ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਫੋਨ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਪਾਸ YouTube account ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ.
Just imagine a school report, teacher writing up afterwards. Oh my lord.
Possessive. Yet she was possessive. ਬੱਲੇ ਉਹਦੇ. So he wants a girl who's not possessive, who hasn't got a sex addict.
These guys are.
Guys are good, trust me. Very, very, very good. And that's why I can say.
Find their friends of what's going on.
Yeah.
No, it can go on about the same thing.
I can tell you what guys are like. Yeah, I can tell you what guys are like. That's what I said. The relationship advice, puchuni puchlo bas. You know what? This is what guys are. Yeah. औरत है ना पंडित नु बदल सकती है. You know what I mean? ਹੋਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ.
Oh my lord. Jeez.
ਤੋਬਾ. I mean, lucky ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ.
How long has this been going? How old is this?
Probably about a week, I think it is.
I wonder what...
I mean, ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ. Imagine ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ.
I know.
ਬੁੜੇ ਹਨ ਬਸ.
Now the guys want to speak to him and get all the advice. Well, I mean, how did you get this skill?
But Shweta needs to.
How cute was he when he was Shweta, Mike?
Yeah, so people were trying their best, and I was like going Shweta sonla.
Shweta.
But Shweta won't be using Zoom ever again.
Yeah. Oh.
Shweta might not be going to school ever again. I mean,
Everybody knows Shweta.
and I don't mean in a bad sense. I mean, I don't mean in a bad sense. I mean in the sharm de mare.
It happens.
Because, I mean, in some time she will, but I'm just mean sharm de mare. You'll be going, oh my god.
But anyway, when you look back at it afterwards,
probably laugh at it.
Laugh at it so much and think, you know what? Look, everyone knows me anyway.
But the thing is, but the truth is,
Such a pretty voice as well, though.
it could happen to anyone. That's the honest. The open reality is it can happen to anyone.
Yeah.
We could be doing a live and
I
then
know
all of a
when we
sudden,
do a live, it worries me. I'm like, hold on, like.
and not only that, even more,
You don't
like
know when you
Vida
go.
started doing the gaming,
Yeah.
and we said to him, "Can you tell us when you start your gaming?
just
Because he
stick it
could
on,
do
'cause
it
you'll have us,
live
like-
all of a sudden." And there's going,
Me walking in like, have you brought out? Here you go, mate.
"Oh, bro,
Oh.
you know what I mean? Or
Shouting at
something or
him.
the other.
I mean, normally when he's playing live with his friends, not live, when he's just playing normally with his friends, he'll go, as soon as you walk into his room, he's like, BRB,
be right back.
be right back. And I had to figure out what that was. Why do you say this every time I come in your room and you pause?
But the thing is,
now just
I was going to
imagine.
say, it can happen to anyone, so
Yeah.
hopefully she's okay, and she can see the humour and go way beyond
Yeah.
past that kind of thing like that.
course.
But I wouldn't like to be in that shoes of
No.
me talking about a friend or anything to somebody else, and then you find out that's someone's
Yeah.
talking about you or talking about these things.
Guys don't tend to do that. As
But,
girls
yeah.
love to talk, so we'd go into detail. Oh my god, just imagine if she went on and they didn't realise.
Ooh.
Oh.
So at least it wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
Anyway, that was the video to everyone who wanted it. So gosh, interesting, crazy.
worry me.
And
Make sure everything's
Shweta,
off
just
mics.
if you watch our reaction, send us a message on Instagram or whatever. We just want to see that you're okay and you're doing well and you see the funny side and you've moved on
One
from
day,
it. It will be quite
hopefully.
good.
Maybe not just yet, but you will
So,
do.
yeah, and to everyone else, if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe, click that bell icon to be notified. Check out other channels, and we'll see you on the
See
next
you
one.
guys.
Take care,
Bye.
see you soon. Bye.